This is for 8th class. So today we will start with chapter 1, articles and determiners. As you see, here we have articles and determiners and assignment 1. We will start with the assignments now. We completed our chapters, so we will start with the revision work. And today I will tell you about the articles and determiners. How yesterday earlier we completed with articles and determiners. So determiners are the words. I will recall all the points. Just be careful. Determiners are words which are used in with nouns to illustrate them or define their qualities, such as some, any, each, every, etc. डिटर्मिनर्स वो होते हैं जब हम किसी क्वालिटीज़ को डिटरमाइन करते हैं, नाउन की क्वालिटीज़ को डिटरमाइन करते हैं, एलेबोरेट करते हैं, उन्हें हम डिटर्मिनर्स कहते हैं. And articles are those words which used with a and the. They are the three words which we are using, a and the, in articles. And here we have the examples. And the is known as definite article. This is an important situation which we have done. So write it down. The only questions you have to write it down. This is the exercise which I told you. You have to write it down, this exercise, in your fair notebook. For example, read the following passages given here. So you have to just identify the words, article, which article is coming here. So you will write it down. I will read a passage for you so that you will get some ideas. Asad lives in a flat with his mother, father and sister Amina. Amina उसकी sister का नाम है. So next is filling the blanks. You have to complete here. The flat has 2 bedrooms, a kitchen, अ बाथरूम. क्योंकि सिंगुलर है, सिंगुलर के साथ हमेशा हम ए वर्ड यूज़ करेंगे. ए वर्ड यूज़ करेंगे, ध्यान रखिएगा. और हम जब एन कब यूज़ करेंगे, विद वोवल साउंड वर्ड्स ANEIOU के साथ हम एन यूज़ करेंगे, ध्यान रखिएगा. और द हम डेफिनाइट आर्टिकल्स के साथ यूज़ करेंगे. जैसे फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल किसी पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल, थिंग, किसी का भी नाम गिवन है, तब हम वहाँ पे द के ना यूज़ करेंगे. एंड वी हैव द सेकेंड एक्सरसाइज, फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स विद द मिसिंग डिटर्मिनर्स. डिटर्मिनर्स के साथ आपको फिल करनी है इसको, एक्सरसाइज को. डू यू हैव डैश चाइनीज़ फ्रेंड्स, एनी, फ्यू लिख सकते हैं. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन पूछा है तो आप यू विल फिल एनी. डू यू हैव some Chinese friends also. Okay, so like this you have to complete these sentences. You have to do it in your, there are 2 questions related to the determiners and articles chapter, and you have to complete this articles and determiners in your fair notebook. As you see that every question we have done in fair notebook. So you have to do these 2 questions, and when you completed your homework, you put your homework on the status so that we come to know about that you completed your homework or not. Everything is very clear. Just write it down, these words in your fair note. Complete this exercise in your fair notebook. Only exercise you will do in fair notebook, not need to write the defines and of different kinds and etc. In assignments you have to do only exercise based questions.